Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make an amazing almond fruit cake. First take any cake mold you want, then grease the cake mold. Then take a juicer jar. Now add 1 cup of suji, 1 cup of maida and 1 cup of sugar. Also add 1 cup of curd plus 1.5 cup of mango which is chopped. Add half cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and blend it for 1 minute. After blending it well, it should look something like this. Now again blend it for 10 seconds. Pour the batter in a bowl. Now rest it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, now add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half tablespoon of baking soda, 2 pinch of salt and mix them well in the mango batter. Add 2 to 3 drops of yellow and orange color. Now pour the batter in the greased mold. And now tap it 2-3 times. Bake it for preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius in 40 to 45 minutes. Add dry fruits. My mother actually forgot to add the dry fruits before, so she's adding it now. After 4 to 5 minutes, insert a toothpick inside the cake. If the peak comes clean, it means the cake is baked well. After cooling, demold the cake and serve it with tea. It is very spongy and yummy at the same time. You should probably try this, and it is very yummy with tea. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.